Hey everyone, welcome to lesson 1. You're going to learn about the quarter note and the quarter rest. Let's start with the quarter note. A quarter note in music, whether it's learning how to clap rhythms or even how to sing rhythms, a quarter note gets one beat. We've been learning this since kindergarten, so it's pretty easy to clap a quarter note. Quarter note, when you clap, it sounds like this. Just one beat. Just one beat. So it sounds like this. Very easy to do. On the count of 3, I want you to clap me a quarter note. 1, 2, 3. Easy. Too easy. Do it again, though, just in case. 1, 2, 3. Now, just in case you forget that a quarter note gets one beat or how it sounds, you can use certain words to help you to clap the beat of the quarter note or any other kind of note that you'll learn. So for a quarter note, you can say the word tie, or you can even say the word beat, as we've been doing since kindergarten. So when you clap it, you can go like this, tie, or you can go like this, beat. So on the count of 3, clap me a quarter note. You can say tie, you can say beat, you can stay silent and count it in your head. Doesn't make a difference as long as you clap it right. 1, 2, 3, tie. One more time. 1, 2, 3, beat. Perfect. Now we're going to clap this set of quarter notes that you see here on the screen. So in order for us to clap all together, we have to clap to a steady beat. Since we've already learned what a steady beat is, let me teach you this thing. Now, when I usually want you all to clap together, I usually will count you in. I would usually say 1, 2, ready, go, and I would click my rhythm stick on my desk for you all to clap together. Now, since I'm doing video lessons now, that's going to be still the same concept. You all have to clap together. Whether you're doing this lesson as in a group or even by yourself, you still have to clap, to a specific speed. Now, the speed of music is called tempo. Tempo is the speed of music, and you can have different type of speeds. Now, this one I'm about to show you right here, this here is a mechanism or a device that keeps a steady beat. That mechanism is called a metronome. Say metronome. Spelled right here, M-E-T-R-O-N-O-M-E. A metronome is a device that keeps a steady beat for you. I've looked up a metronome online. I've used Google as a search engine. And when I typed in the word metronome, this thing appeared first. And this right here basically is a metronome. This right here is a play button. And if you press play, it will click for you a steady beat. So again, it's a device that keeps a steady beat. When you increase the number, the tempo goes faster. When you decrease the number, the tempo goes very slow. So let me give you the slowest one. Turn it up for you. That tempo is very slow. Oh my goodness. Pause that. That's slow. How about the fastest one? Pretty fast, right? Yeah, it is. Let's go about right here, 80. Not too fast, not too slow. We call that moderato. When the tempo is not too fast, not too slow, it's kind of like in the middle. Moderato. That's a very good tempo or a good tempo marking for you to clap your rhythms to. If that's still too fast, you can slow it down if you want to. But I like 80. I like clicking tempos at this particular tempo marking. So there we go. A metronome, again, is a device that keeps a steady beat for you. So we're going to clap these quarter notes to the metronome sound that you hear. Listen to it. I'll count you in. Don't forget. Don't clap when you want to. Clap when you get a count in. So I'm going to give you a count in, and we're all going to clap at this together at the same tempo as the metronome is giving us. 1, 2, ready, go. Beat, 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 beat. There you go. That's how you do it. So again, the metronome is a device that keeps a steady tempo for you, or a steady beat for you. And so we clap our rhythms to that metronome. Let's do that again. 1, 2, ready, go. Good. Let's turn off or pause the metronome for now. Go back to the lesson, and now we're going to add a new addition. Now we're going to add a new symbol, new rhythmic symbol. Let me type that in for you. New rhythmic symbol. It's not necessarily new, but I gotta say new, especially for those who forgot about these symbols from before, or if you're a new student and have never seen these before. So I always gotta introduce a new symbol as a new symbol or new note. This symbol here is a quarter rest. It's similar to a quarter note. It does get one beat, but because this is a rest, this gets a beat of silence, which means you still count it, but it's a silent count. You still count it, but it's a silent count. To help you remember, you can, when you see it, you can separate your hands and, still count the beat because it's still there. It's just a silent beat, or you can go rest. Separate your hands and say the word rest to help you remember what this symbol is. So again, a quarter rest is a symbol that gives you one beat of silence. One beat of silence. So let me turn the metronome back on. And now we're going to clap this set of notes and symbols, or notes and rests, to the metronome. So let me do it for you first so that you can hear how it goes. So again, a quarter rest is a beat of silence. So it's going to sound like this. 1, 2, ready, go. Rest. That's how that goes. So again, you have a beat here. No, it's still a beat, but you don't clap it, and you have a beat at the end. So it's going to sound like this again. 1, 2, ready, go. Rest. And make sure you stay on the steady beat that the metronome is giving you. Okay, what I want you to do is clap this by yourself in your group. I'll count you in. You clap it on your own. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. How'd you do? I hope you did well. Let's try it again, just to practice. The more you practice, the better you remember this. 1, 2, ready, go. Let's try the next one. 1, 2, ready, go. How'd you do? I'm pretty sure you did well. I'm pretty sure you did. It's not really difficult to get, quarter notes and quarter rests. One more time. 1, 2, ready, go. Let's try the next one. Let's take a look at it before you clap it, so you know what you're going to clap before I count you in. 1, 2, ready, go. Pretty easy, right? You're getting it, right? I'm proud of you. Let's try it again. 1, 2, ready, go. Good. Let's try the next one. 1, 2, ready, go. How are you doing that one? Yeah, when the rest is first this time. So you can make a lot of different rhythm patterns using quarter notes and quarter rests. So that's why you can change it up. Instead of having a note first, you can have a rest first. Let's try that again. 1, 2, ready, go. Let's try the next rhythm pattern. Not too hard. 1, 2, ready, go. Pretty easy, right? I know. Things start off easy, so don't get too happy. Not yet. Let's try it again. 1, 2, ready, go. Let's try the next one. Analyze it to see what you're going to clap before you clap it. Wait for the count to end before you clap. 1, 2, ready, go. Good. Even if you made a mistake, we're going to do it again. The more you practice, the better you get. 1, 2, ready, go. Good. Turn the metronome off. Now, just in case you made some mistakes, then rewind this video and do these rhythms again until you get used to clapping quarter notes and quarter rests to a metronome. So again, it's pretty easy right now with just one beat to worry about. It's going to get progressively more confusing. So make sure you master this. So go back over these rhythms from the beginning. So like I said, rewind the video and clap them again and again and again until you get used to clapping quarter notes and quarter rests to a metronome. And again, a metronome, since you're learning this for the first time, is a device that keeps a steady beat. Now, I looked up one, like I said, online, but you don't necessarily have to look up one. You can make a metronome if you want to. You can make a metronome by snapping or tapping your foot. But you can do that by yourself, you know what I'm saying? Well, not necessarily snapping and then clapping, but you can tap your foot and then clap rhythms that are on the screen for yourself. Rest, rest. See what I'm saying? So you have a metronome on your person. But I find it easier just to use a device that keeps the time for you. So using an online metronome works wonders. Now that you got those rhythms clapped and you're understanding more about the quarter note and quarter rest, I got a bonus lesson for you. Your bonus lesson, here, you read it first. Now this slideshow will be in the folder in my music portal. So if you don't have enough time to read it, you can take time and read this, you know what I'm saying, over and over again to understand what you have to do for this bonus lesson. Go ahead and read it. I'll give you a few seconds. Unpause the video when you're ready. Just in case, let me read it for you. Bonus. Make your own 4-beat rhythm pattern using quarter notes rest on a sheet of paper and clap it out. Divide your patterns with a line. I'll explain that in a minute. Did it sound well? Do you have 4 beats total in your pattern? Have someone in your group clap out your rhythm pattern. So what you're going to basically do is take whatever combination of quarter notes and quarter rests that you want to use and make up your own 4-beat rhythm pattern. Now, when I say 4-beat rhythm pattern, check this out. We've already clapped this. Let's add up the total amount of beats of these symbols on the screen. 1 quarter note. How many beats does that get? That's right, 1. Here's another quarter note. How many beats does that get? That's right, 1. So 1 plus 1, that's 2 beats so far. Let's check out this next symbol. What is this? Yes, it's a quarter rest. A quarter rest gets how many beats? If you said 0, that is incorrect. Even though it is a silent beat, it still gets a count. This gets 1 beat of silence. So this is still considered 1 beat. It's just a silent beat. So because it's 1 beat, now we have 1, 2, 3 beats total so far. Adding one more quarter rest gives us 1, 2, 3, 4. Boom. 4 beats in this rhythm pattern. What I would like for you to do is make up your own rhythm pattern using whatever combination of quarter notes and quarter rest. You might repeat one of mine because there's only so many rhythm patterns that you can make with just quarter notes and quarter rest. So I want you to make up your own. If you're in third grade, you're going to make just one 4-beat rhythm pattern. So you're going to make just one of these. So this right here is one 4-beat rhythm pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it. Here is another 4-beat rhythm pattern. This is just one. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4 beats. So third graders, you're going to make just one. Fourth grade, you're going to make 2. Fifth grade, you're going to make 3. The older you get, the more work you get. Don't get discouraged. Don't get disparaged. So fourth grade and fifth grade, you're going to make 2 or 3 4-beat rhythm patterns. So what you're going to basically do, and let me just show you this example. Excuse me. Here I have a 4-beat rhythm pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's 4 beats right there. What I've done was I've taken a line and put it here to make another section for a 4-beat rhythm pattern. So here I have one. A line is dividing this from the next one. Here is another 4-beat rhythm pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4 beats right there. So here I have 2 4-beat rhythm patterns. One right here, one right here. So, fourth grade, this is an example of what you have to do. Make 2, 1, 2, 4-beat rhythm patterns. Fifth grade, you got to make another line, draw it here, and make one more 4-beat rhythm pattern. So you're going to do that on a sheet of paper, on a notebook that you're bringing into my class, every class, so that you can put your work in, so that you can show it for proof that you have done the assignment and understand the assignment. After you make your 4-beat rhythm pattern, 1 for third grade, 2 for fourth grade, and 3 for fifth grade, clap it out. Did it sound well? Did you have or do you have 4 beats total in your pattern? Do you have 4 beats here? Do you have 4 beats here? Fifth grade, add a line here. Are you going to have 4 beats after the next one? Make sure there's 4 beats in each one, in each pattern. And you'll clap that out and then pick someone in your group to clap out your 4-beat rhythm pattern. And the person that you pick, they're going to give you their rhythm pattern and you clap out their rhythm pattern. Make sure that the rhythm pattern that you have has 4 beats in each section. So check each other's work to make sure that you've done it correctly. I will come around and, of course, check your work to make sure that you're doing it right and answer any questions if you have any. So go ahead and, well, actually, that's the end of the lesson. So go ahead and pause the video and make your 4 beats rhythm patterns. So again, third grade, you're doing just 1. Fourth grade, you're doing 2. Using a line to divide your patterns. And fifth grade, you're doing 3. Pause the video, please. Okay, if I came around and checked the work, then that means you're at the end of your lesson. Congratulations, I'm proud of you. Let's go over this checklist to make sure that you have completed everything that I wanted you to learn in the lesson. So in this lesson, were you able to learn a quarter note, quarter rest? Learn how many beats a quarter note, quarter rest get. Clap a quarter note, quarter rest. Learn what a metronome is. Use a metronome to clap rhythm patterns. Make your own metronome. And for a bonus, make your own 4-beat rhythm pattern or patterns, depending on your grade level, using quarter notes and quarter rests and clap it out. And find a partner. If you did all this, you have completely finished lesson 1, quarter note and quarter rest. Get ready for lesson 2. This is the end of the video.